Pag ang usa ka Kristiyano o ang usa ka simbahan na ay sense of mission, I tell you, magkanaas, magkalayo, magbagabaga ang imuhang Kristohanon nga kinabuhi. You receive an assignment from God and you are committed to that assignment and you will do everything what you got just to fulfill that assignment, and that is your mission. You will do it. You will fulfill it as long as you are still breathing. The work, the job of telling others the good news about the wonderful grace of God. That is the mission of every believer. Mahimo kang witness. You are not ashamed of Jesus Christ. Dili nimo ikaulaw si Jesus, dili mo ikaulaw ang sa gibuhat niya sa cross. Talang naaka gamito nimo para sa kaymayaan sa Dios.